Specialty threads are to embroidery what special spices and vegetables is to cooking. Now I went for shopping and I got these beautiful threads that will elevate my embroidery work and make it look unique and special. I got these variegated threads and believe me, they are magnificent, they are beautiful, they will elevate my work. I got this glow in the dark threads that will make my work glow like this. Imagine making an image with this. I got the UV color changing threads that when you go into the sun, the colors will change and give you a different color. And of course, metallic threads. I mean, who doesn't know about metallic threads? Let's unbox and use this threads together. Don't get anywhere, lovely. Hey lovely, this is Annie with Annie Marie. If you're new here, you're welcome. Do well to subscribe to our channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continued support. Here is one of my packages that I got from Amazon, and it contains new broad thread machine embroidery specialty threads. I actually got 4 different kinds of thread. I got metallic package, I got the UV color changing thread, I got the glow in the dark, and I also got the variegated thread variety. So I'm going to be unboxing it and showing you this particular one in details and tell you all about it. Okay, I'll also share with you the different machine embroidery projects that I created with them, my thoughts on them, and my suggestions also on how to use them. This package contains 9 basic colors of metallic machine embroidery thread spools filled with 500 meters of thread, that is 550 yards of thread. They are 40 weight and perfect for sewing, embroidery and quilting. On opening the box, you will see this leaflet that has this diagram of needles and detailed instructions. Now the manufacturer suggests that you use top stitching or metallic needles. This is because they are with large eye and they have deep grooves on the side. Now this prevents the stripping of the thread while you're embroidering, and they suggest that you use the ones and the sizes 80-12 or 90-14. Okay, they also suggest that you reduce your sewing machine speed, your embroidery machine speed, to less than or equal to 600. Now looking at this machine threads, looking at these beautiful embroidery threads, you can see how beautiful they look. If you're familiar with embroidery threads, if you're familiar with metallic threads, you will not be surprised because they are shiny, they look luxurious, they look amazing. When you create designs, when you create images with this, it just looks out of this world. Okay, I fell in love with metallic threads when I saw a particular design. I think it was a butterfly. That butterfly looked surreal. I mean, I think it was with silver color. It looked fantastic. Okay, it looked amazing, and it was recreated, I think, with the color blue or yellow, and I just couldn't wait to get mine. Okay, now this comes in another packaging of 25 spools of thread. Why I chose this one is because I mean, I'm just trying to double my legs. I'm trying to test it out to see how it works with my embroidery machine, because believe me, metallic threads can have issues. Okay, if you don't know how to work with them, if you've not practiced with them, it can really mess up your design. Okay, so I'm going to test this out and see how it goes. Now we're done with this thread, let's check out another one. The next box is glow in the dark. Okay, now on opening it, I'm just saying my receipt. The essence of this unboxing video is not for us to look at the receipt. Okay, now this is glow in the dark, 8 colors of luminary glow in the dark embroidery machine thread spools filled with 500 meters of thread, that is 550 yards of thread for all embroidery machines. Okay, be it Brother, be it Singer, whatever kind of machine. Okay, you can use this thread on it. Now there are 30 weight threads that can be used for sewing and quilting too. Okay, now this leaflet is for you to have the information on how to contact the company, give your reviews and give your complaints also. These threads will glow in the dark after being exposed to natural or artificial light. Imagine creating a Halloween image with these threads. I tried seeing if I can capture a before and after picture when I created a particular project on a red t-shirt, but I wasn't able to do that. But believe me, it glowed in the dark. It looked amazing. It looked beautiful. I actually created a project on a kid's red t-shirt and it came out perfect. Another thing I loved about this thread is that they didn't just create basic colors, primary colors. They are all beautiful, vibrant colors. I just loved it. I love this particular color. I don't know whether to call it lime or lemon, but I really love it. I used it for that particular project and it popped. This peach is another favorite of mine because it was just amazing. I tried mixing 1 or 2 colors and they are done. Okay, I'm going to try to unbox the rest of them, and after that I'm going to share each project that I created using these specialty threads. So you can see on the box, it shows you every information that you need for the specialty thread that you buy, so you will not be confused. And for someone like me that bought them in bulk, I bought different ones, I wasn't confused. I also took my time to label them. I also got the 8 colors of UV color changing machine embroidery thread spools filled with 500 meters of thread, that is 550 yards of thread. They are 30 weight threads, and according to the manufacturer, they can change from one color to the other after exposing them to sunlight or any kind of UV light source, and they keep that changed color while exposed. But once there is no UV light or sunlight again, the thread will return to its original color. Now, how cool is that? Imagine stepping out in the morning with family and friends wearing a yellow t-shirt that is embroidered with white threads, and then they will see you around 1 p.m. with a yellow t-shirt that is now with a purple, green or orange embroidery design. Isn't it magic? Just like the other boxes, it came with this instruction leaflet and also with free thread spool nets. Just imagine creating an embroidery design using this UV color changing thread and a glow in the dark thread. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? It will be phenomenal. For this particular color, the blue changes to purple, as you can see on the screen here, and I didn't wait for it to completely change, but it does. Now this white changes to pink color, and you can see it. Okay, this is the particular one I used for my t-shirt. Okay, now this white changes to orange. You can see it. I didn't wait for it to completely change, but you can see it changed. Now this white changes to sea crest. I'm sorry I didn't add the change, but believe me, it does change to sea crest. Okay, it's beautiful. I love it. Now this one changes to light brown. Okay, it does change to light brown, and this particular white color changes to yellow. Okay, it does change to yellow and it's beautiful. This one changes to lilac. Okay, I love the beautiful lilac color. I wish you could see it. Finally, our lime lemon thread, which changes to dark brown or baked brown color. Beautiful. These threads come with labels just at the top of the spool. It's advisable not to remove these labels and these numbers while using them. Now we have finished unboxing this one. Let's go to the next thread. Something I must mention here is that I love new bro thread products. Okay, and I love the fact that you can get most of their products from Amazon, and believe me when I tell you that I have enjoyed all my shopping experiences from Amazon. Okay, I've never had any issues, I've never had any complaints, and I really love it. So here is my 25 colors of variegated machine embroidery spools filled with 500 meters of thread, that is 550 yards of polyester embroidery threads that can be used for brother, genomi, baby lock, singer, fav, benina, hogsvana, and so on. Any kind of embroidery machine that you have, these threads are not choosy. They are 40 weight threads. From the manufacturer's description, they are supposed to have low risk for fraying and for puckering and looping. They are color fast, so no washing off after several washes. Now most of these boxes come with this customer care contacts and also your way of keeping a review. Okay, dropping a review for them on their website or any kind of complaint. If you want to create designs with varied colors that are close together, we are talking about different shades of a particular color and also different colors, variegated threads are for you. I mean, look at these beautiful colors. I just love the combination of colors I'm seeing right here. The different shades of red, blue, turquoise, so many of them are so amazing. I just love variegated threads. Okay, that is why I had to get 25 spools for this particular one. I think it has the one that contains 45 spools or thereabout, but this really works for me. I created this design using glow in the dark, variegated thread, UV color changing thread, and polyester embroidery threads, and they turned out beautiful. You can see it right here. Now I also created this project using variegated thread and rayon thread for a client, and believe me, they loved the design. Okay, you can see the outcome right here. It is beautiful. Now I created this name embroidery design using only variegated thread. The name came out beautiful. Okay, the client loved it. I made it for a baby boy and a baby girl. You can see it. It was beautiful. Now I did this one using glow in the dark variegated thread, and it was amazing. I wish I could capture the glow in the dark, but the client of course couldn't send the picture, but they talked about it. Okay, it was for a little boy and they loved it. Now this last project was for me. Okay, I used UV color changing thread, which was white in color, and also a rayon thread, which is the black one. Believe me, when I was stepping out, it was white. Okay, it was really white. Look at me going out, it was white. Now when I entered the sun, it turned to light pink. Honestly, I wish the camera could do justice to this. It turned to light pink and people around me were amazed. From my own personal experience using metallic embroidery threads, I have these suggestions to give you. 1. If your embroidery machine does not come with a thread director, please get one for yourself. Metallic threads do better when they unwind horizontally, facing the thread guide and the thread part. This also reduces the risk of puckering and tangling while you embroider. It also reduces your risk of thread and needle breakage. I did an unboxing and review video of my 20 spool thread stand. I got this from Amazon, and it had this particular accessory, which is a thread director. I really enjoyed that investment. The second suggestion is use thread lubricators. These are lifesavers while using metallic threads for sewing and embroidery. I use Sewer's Aid. 1 or 2 drops gently dabbed around your thread spool and allowed to absorb does the trick. You also need to reapply as you go. Don't use it for dense embroidery. That's my third suggestion. Don't use metallic threads for dense embroidery designs. This can be a disaster if care is not taken. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review video of these specialty machine embroidery threads. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, share your thoughts at the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share this video so that others will know about this, and I'll see you in the next one.